Hey guys, coming back to my channel Education Zone and it's me Ereshva Joshi. So today we'll do science. You all know the science is very best for me because my favorite subject is science only. So let's begin with the science subject today. And I want to tell you that today we'll do important topics of chapter 2, nutrition in animals in science. So let's begin with it. Here we go. So I have taken here topic digestion. See, digestion I have here taken. So what is the definition of digestion? The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. And here you see that this is the diagram of the digestion. Means this is the complex substance and this is the simple substance. So means this diagram is of the complex substance and simpler substance. Now I tell you what is the digestion. Let's just see here one more time. We'll read it. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances and is called digestion. So it means the breakdown of substances means breakdown complex components of food into the simpler substances are known as digestion. So next we'll go on the next topic. So guys, our next topic is human digestive system. Okay, so in the human digestive system, these are the main points I tell you. First, buccal cavity, salivary gland, esophagus, small intestine, rectum, liver, stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, large intestine and anus. So, guys, just see here. I have my one diagram. I have made it. So, in it, just you can see here. There is a mouth. We chew from buccal cavity. We chew the food, and then that food goes to the salivary gland and mixes with the saliva, and then goes from the esophagus to the stomach. You can see this is stomach and goes to the stomach. What is the esophagus now? I tell you that esophagus is the food pipe only, guys. We can say it food pipe also and esophagus also. So I said it esophagus. So that food goes to the stomach. Then it goes from this pipe, means this, to the large intestine. Okay, goes to the large intestine, and then it goes to the small intestine from this, and then it goes to the rectum, and then it goes to the anus. Okay, first it goes to the large intestine, then small intestine, then again to the large intestine, and then goes to the rectum and anus. Okay, so just see. Now there are liver and gallbladder are left. So what are these? Okay, I said. So what is liver? Tell. So guys, just see. Liver is the largest gland in our body. So, liver is the largest gland. So, what does the liver do? Liver produces bile juice, and the bile juice is stored in the gallbladder. It's a bladder. Gallbladder means it's stored in the gallbladder and it's produced in the liver. So what? Bile juice. Okay. So this topic has also done. So let me go to the next topic. So our next topic is ingestion. So what is the meaning of the the process by which we take food into our body is known as ingestion. I hope you understand this topic. This means that we eat food and we take that food into our body. Means we eat the food, that food goes into our body is known as ingestion. Means taking of the food into our body is known as ingestion. So next topic, teeth. So how many teeth we? So teeth are of different types. Okay. So what are these types? Molar, premolar, canines and incisors. These are the 4 types of teeth in our mouth. Okay. So if you see in a mouth, so in the front of a mouth means front teeth are incisors. In one jaw, you have 2 jaws. So in downside jaw or upper side jaw, you can say that one jaw. We have, if we in a one jaw, incisors are 4. And then after 4 incisors, the front teeth, after front teeth means after incisors, there are canines. So canines are 2 in one jaw, premolars 4 in one jaw, molar 6 in one jaw. If we double that, so the double answer, which the sum will you if you take out the sum of the double of these, so what are the answer will come? Okay, I tell you. So molar in one jaw 6, 2 jaw 12, premolar 1 in one jaw 4, 2 jaw 8, canine in one jaw 2, 2 jaw 4, incisors in one jaw 4, in 2 jaw 8. Okay, so these all we have in our teeth, in our mouth. We have these types of teeth. So let's we go to the next topic. So now tongue. So in the tongue we have these different tastes. Okay, means we have 4 different tastes in our tongue. So what are these? Let's we see. These are bitter, sour, salty and sweet. Okay, these are the main tastes of the tongue. You can see. So I have made it here the diagram of the tongue. You can see. So this is tongue, and you can see here this the point in the front of side of the tongue point. This is the sweet, this is the salty there here, and this sour. After salty there is a sour. So means katak. Okay, so this side also sour, salty, sweet, and then there is in the between, means in the last, there is a circle here. That is the bitter. Kadava. So I hope you understand this tongue one. So let's we go to the next topic. Next topic is absorption. The digestive food can now pass into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. This process is called absorption. It means we eat the food. We eat food. After some time, that food will digest, and then that digestive food pass into the blood vessels in the wall of intestine. This process is known as absorption. So now the next topic is villi. So what is the villi? Okay, I tell you. In the inner walls of the intestine, I mean that in the inner walls of the small intestine have thousands of finger like outgrowth substances. These substances are villi. The villi increases the surface area for absorption of the digestive food. So on the next topic we'll go. So our next topic is rumen. Okay guys, have you observed that the cows, buffaloes and other grass eating animals didn't eat anything, but they chewed something. Means they do their mouth like this. Like when we eat the food, we do like that only they do when they didn't eating the food. So what is that? Actually, they firstly eat the grass and then they store that in the stomach of them. So that is known as rumen. So next topic is, later the curd returns to the mouth. Means after some time the curd returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chew it. This process is called rumination, and the animals which do this process are known as ruminants, which I have spoken now this time. That process is the ruminants and rumination, and the animals which do this process like this, these are known as ruminants. Okay, so these four topics are rumination and ruminants. So yeah guys, I want to show you one diagram. This, you can see it easily. Please see it carefully. See guys, this diagram is the diagram of digestive system in ruminants. In it you can see that in the ruminants, this is the oesophagus, so food pipe going to the rumen. This whole is the rumen. See, rumen. And then this is the small intestine. This is the large intestine. One pipe is going like this. This is the large intestine. Okay. And this whole part is known as a stomach. Okay. This is a stomach. And this pipe is going like this, just curved. Yeah, you can see curved. This is calcium. This is calcium. So what is this? This is the digestive system in ruminants. So our next topic is amoeba. So guys, just see, I have one diagram of amoeba also. I have drawn this. All the diagrams which I have showed you, I have only drawn this. Okay, so this is amoeba. You can see easily. Like if the water falls down, so it makes one space with one shape, like that shape the amoeba was. So just see, there are in the amoeba there are some particles. Yeah, you can see some particles. So one particle, this one particle is nucleus, and this whole surface, the boundary in the surface is known as pseudopodium. Okay, and this substance, means this particle, is food particle ingestion. Okay, ingestion. And these two food vacuoles, and this is adjusted waste. I have shown here the particles in the amoeba. you can see easily. So we are talking about the amoeba only. So yeah, amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in ponds water. Okay, so guys, if you like my video, so please comment that which video you want, another means next which video we want. And if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, please like my channel, and for now, bye.